Everybody needs some extra support sometimes. And while DB Series Dura-Blok Rooftop supports from Cooper Beeline aren't the best listeners, they are a phenomenally practical and efficient way to support piping systems, cable trays, HVAC equipment, walkway systems, and more, without compromising roof integrity. At 5 inches high, 6 inches wide, and on lengths ranging from 4.8 to 9.6 inches, DB5 and DB10 Dura-Blok supports can handle a load rating of up to 500 pounds. Their base is equipped with a 14-gauge galvanized channel, standing 1 inch high for added strength. Using these Dura-Bloks is as straightforward as placing them on any given roofing material or flat surface. Once they're set, their 100% UV-resistant recycled rubber construction ensures long-lasting performance, even in harsh rooftop conditions. Durable and dependable, Cooper Beeline's DB Series Dura-Blok Rooftop supports provide stability and reliability on a wide variety of projects. Learn more about this product here, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.